In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a disclaimer in HubSpot email. Adding a disclaimer is an essential step to ensure your communications are clear and compliant with any legal requirements. Whether it's providing information about the use of data, legal ramifications, or simply adding a footer note to clarify something for your audience, a disclaimer can be quite valuable. So let's dive right into it. To get started, head over to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the marketing section. You can find this in the main navigation menu at the top of your dashboard. Click on Marketing and then select Email. This will bring up a list of your existing emails or give you the option to create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll work with an existing email. Finding the email you wish to edit is straightforward. Just scroll through your list and click on the one you'd like to modify. Of course, if you prefer to start fresh, feel free to click on Create Email instead. Once you've made your selection, you'll be brought to the email editor. Now, it's time to add that disclaimer. To do this, you'll want to look for the text module in your editing options. Simply drag the text module to the bottom of your email. This is usually the most appropriate place for a disclaimer, as it allows your main content to take priority while still providing the necessary legal or informational notes at the end. In this text module, type out the wording of your disclaimer. Be sure it's clear and concise, covering all the necessary points you need to communicate. If you're unsure of the wording, it might be helpful to consult with legal counsel or a compliance officer, especially if you're addressing sensitive topics. Once your disclaimer is in place, it's important to preview your email to ensure everything looks just right. HubSpot has a handy preview feature for this. Look for the Preview as Contract option. By clicking this, you'll be able to see your email as recipients will see it, ensuring that your disclaimer is displayed correctly and that the overall design of your email maintains its professional appearance. Previewing is an often overlooked step, but it's crucial for catching any issues that might slip through during the editing process. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to incorporate a disclaimer into your HubSpot emails. Always remember the importance of keeping your audience informed and your communications transparent, and you'll go a long way in maintaining trust and ensuring legal compliance. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, happy email crafting!